school to you because since you don't know about school, school is so boring and stupid. First, you have to learn about stupid things you will never use in your life ever again, like math. Also, English that Koreans teach is very unuseful and is very waste of time. But there are good things about school too, like making friends and watching movies for free at school. Also, some teachers are very fun. Another thing that I like about the school is that you get to share your creativity with the others in art class or show off your strength and stamina in PE. Something that I feel interesting about school is American school, like how they have protocols for school shooting and very low quality food. So the conclusion is that school is boring, fun, and interesting at the same time.